So this is future me reference. These are outer lights. Outer light heading down to light switches. Outer lights heading up to this side of lights, and outer lights heading out to the other side. That is outer lights. Inner, this is main power coming in from this line right here. This is main power, and these two lines are main power. One is going this way and one is going down to the light switches. And this last one is middle lights. I should have wrote it right here. Middle inner lights. Inner lights is the lights in the middle, and that is going to that board right there. So let's go over there. This is for future reference. Okay, so this is outer lights coming from over there, heading to that one right over there for outer lights. This strain of outer lights out here. This is outer lights. This is main power heading back over to that panel over there. Inner lights is inner lights heading straight down this this way right here. That is what is going on. And that right there is for running outer lights to that side. And over there is just a main power line right all the way over there. That is just main power.